Alright, I have a Ford Explorer here, but it kind of looks like an animal hit because there's no real scratches or anything.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm holding successes, the dinner, and greatness are coming to me.
So I'm putting down some epoxy primer right where the window urethane goes, all the way around. And then I'll send this one over to the paint shop. I have a Acura MDX here. This one got hit down low. I guess they hit a rock or something in the road. Crushed this lower section right here. So this is going to get a new part. It goes on just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this one off. So this new piece comes, whenever you buy it, it comes as a box with this piece made on it. But the problem is the way this is jigged together, the only way to put it in as an assembly is if I cut a bunch of more stuff apart because there's welds hidden inside of here. But being that this piece isn't really hurt, there's just a few spot welds holding these two pieces together. So I'm just going to drill out those few spot welds and separate these two pieces and just put this bottom cap on, because otherwise I'll have to get a lot deeper into this one. Alright, I lied. It turns out I do have to put this piece in. But the way it's jigged together, I still have to separate it, so I'm going to have to put it in as two separate parts. But this one's all, I didn't realize this was folded up pretty bad down here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this piece cut out. Alright, I got this inside piece all fit up, ready to weld. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to zap it in, and then I will take my other plate and get it fit up on there. Alright, I have a Ford Explorer here. I don't know if something came up on this one going down the road or something fell on it, but it has some damage to the roof. Right here mainly. Not too bad. But then it also gets a hood repair all in this area. I don't know for sure, but it kind of looks like an animal hit because there's no real scratches or anything. It looks like an animal might have bounced across the top of the car. So I'm gonna start off. I was trying to push this out, but I couldn't really get behind it. So I'm gonna put a glue tab on here, see if I could get that low point up. So those glue tabs just aren't going to cut it. Not enough pulling force to get this deep point. So I'm going to get the dent puller out and pull this little spot out.